Hey everyone, it's Alex from Drive Auto Group. Today I'm here at Pickering Honda with
David Lee.
and he is showing me Honda Sensing. We're sitting inside a 2019 Accord Touring model. So let's do this.
Let's do it.
Okay, so we're sitting inside this beautiful 2019 Accord, and David is about to go over some of these Honda Sensing features with us. So David, question for you.
Yes.
What exactly is Honda Sensing?
All right, so Honda Sensing is essentially a safety suite of features to help aid the driver.
Okay.
Right? And essentially safety features that make you a better driver. Okay?
Awesome. How do we access them?
All right, on this particular model, this is a 2019 Accord Touring. What you want to do is click the home button on your steering wheel, and then what you're going to see is a bunch of icons here. Okay? And we're going to scroll down using the wheel here. We're going to click safety support. Okay? So we're going to click here. All right? So when you see it's all green here, that means all your Honda Sensing is now on. Okay? So we'll scroll down again. Okay? So the first one here is road departure mitigation. So essentially what that is if you leave the lane without your turn signal on, the car will warn you as well as vibrate the steering wheel to tell you that you're doing an unintentional lane change. Okay? And you can turn any one of these off by just clicking the wheel. And what you'll notice here is right down there, the little car with the circle around it will start going gray when you start turning off your Honda Sensing. Okay? To turn it back on, you just simply click it, and that's it. Right? One down here is blind spot information system. So on the mirrors here, the edge of the mirror, you'll see a little car icon. When a car is in your blind spot, that will glow orange. Okay? And if you try to do a lane change with your turn indicator on while someone is in your blind spot, the car will warn you audibly as well as visually on the mirror there. Okay? Again, just to remind you that someone is in your blind spot and you should check again. Okay?
Amazing.
So we'll scroll down again to this one. This is Collision Mitigation Braking System. Okay? So essentially what that is if you get too close to a car in front of you and it senses a collision is going to occur, alright? Basically what will happen is on the gauge cluster here, you will see an orange bar that will say brake on it, and it will actually flash and warn you to say that you're coming in a little too fast, or it senses a collision is going to occur. And basically, if it senses a driver is still not paying attention to that, it will actually brake at the last minute to help reduce the chances of collision.
Well, that's amazing. So beneficial. And I love how you can turn it on and off, because there are some drivers who really don't like these safety features when they're driving. They feel like they want to be in control, but I mean, essentially you still are in control. It's just that extra help.
Yes, that extra added security, essentially what it is.
Exactly.
Right? Yep, and that's pretty much it.
What models are equipped with Honda Sensing?
Yeah, so with Honda Sensing, it's available on a majority of models. So Civic, CR-V, Pilot, Accord, for example. Clarity, just to name a few.
Okay, and do you have to be in a touring model?
You don't actually.
Okay, great. Well, that's amazing. David, thank you so much for showing us Honda Sensing.
My pleasure.
And we will see you soon.